Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How is everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So let's see Baba, what Baba has in store. I have been, not giving any stories of Baba of late, and many of you know that my health has also been up and down. But I'm also a fighter, so I've been fighting with him, and I will keep fighting. And I'm sure because of my continuous fightings, he is also showing me some changes around me, because he knows I can only fight with him and I can only be adamant with him, or ask anything that I want to him and not to anyone else. So maybe that's the reason he is also understanding it. But moreover, Baba always says that with faith, whatever you need, if you ask me, then I am there to give it to you. You don't need to go in search of it anywhere else. So I strongly believe that today somewhere I feel that you should wear the color green, light green specifically if you can, or light yellow somewhere. I don't know, I just felt guided. Sometimes when I do the reading and then when I close the video, I feel as if Baba is asking me that why you're not asking, or you're not saying which color dress to wear karke. And today also, if you can chant 108 times Om Sai Ram. And I always say Thursdays is the best day to donate stray dogs, to feed stray dogs in the name of Baba. He will be very, very happy. So let's see what is coming in cards today. The first card is crush negativity. Do not allow negative thoughts to live in your mind. They say no, half filled and half empty. It's something like that only whenever I see this glass. It's again in our mindset. Sometimes things which happen around you, maybe whatever is happening around you is making you feel negative, but Baba is saying to not allow those negative thoughts. Maybe he has some plans for you and he knows the right time to give you the right thing. And now, as of now, it may be a testing phase, but somewhere when I see the card, I feel this phase should also pass and things will change, and you will be able to handle situation beautifully. When I take the next card, it is more like an indication. Baba is the true guru who takes on the suffering of his devotees. He will grant you the relief and succor. So see here what he's saying. Somewhere he is giving the same thing, or he is giving you the same indication which I said. Just have faith in him. That is why in all Baba temples you'll find the wording Shraddha Sabhuri, because have patience and perseverance, and I am sure, and have faith in him. I am definitely sure that he is going to take away your suffering, and he is going to give you all the good things that you want, and he is going to bless you with whatever you desire. So have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day ahead. Om Sai Ram.